Assalamu alaikum friends, and welcome back to my channel. Friends, today I will tell you how to stitch lace or gota with your dupatta. This is a simple chiffon dupatta, crinkle chiffon, and I'm going to tell you that how you can attach this lace or any other lace with your dupatta in a very easy way with a lot of tips. So please remember to subscribe my channel and share it with your friends, and you can easily make your dupatta fancy at home. Friends, the first tip is that this should be filled with the color of the dupatta. ये जो फिरकी में जो धागा होगा वो आपके दुपट्टे के कलर का होगा, जबकि आप जो लेस लगा रहे हैं ऊपर जो धागा होगा वो इस कलर का होगा ताकि दोनों विजिबल ना हो. सो आई एम यूजिंग द वाइट कलर फॉर द गोटा. One more important thing is that as you see that this is the corner of the dupatta. We are going to start stitching from the long side of the dupatta where you do picot. So friend, this is as you see, just fold it and place the lace on the front side of the dupatta and stitch it. आपने जो फ्रंट साइड होती है इसको थोड़ा सा फोल्ड करना है और इसके ऊपर आपने गोटा रख के उसको स्टिच करना है. फ्रंट साइड से दुपट्टा करना है, जो आपकी जो दुपट्टे की फ्रंट साइड होगी उसके ऊपर रख के हम उसको स्टिच करेंगे. Remember this thing because otherwise your dupatta will be not stitched good. So this is the lace. The face of the lace should be outside. Now friends, when you complete one side, just fold like this. आपने लेस को पहले से काट के नहीं लगाना, एक ही लेस को आपने पूरे दुपट्टे पे लगाना है. Never cut the lace before, just use it as it is. Now I am using another lace with it because it matches with my shirt design. Remember, this is the front side of the dupatta and I am applying the I'm attaching the lace over that. Now no need to do the picot. If you have any problem that for picot you can use any lace for your own dupatta at home. So this is a very easy way to attach lace or anything with your dupatta to make it more fancy. If you have a little flowers of the gota, you can also attach or stitch them inside your dupatta to look it more beautiful. As you see friends, the color is not visible, the white color is not visible, it's all green over here, and on the front side it's all white. This is the perfect way to stitch lace with your dupatta. Friends, I hope you are getting a lot of information, tips and tricks from my videos. So please share it with your friends who don't know anything about stitching, or who are the beginners, or who are the expert beginners, because many of the people who stitch clothes don't know the basics of the stitchings. So friends, save your money, make a designer dupatta at home. Whatever type of dupatta you want, please you can write us in the comments below what type of videos you want and what type of dress you want us to stitch. We will tell you each and everything, and if you want to order anything, order these type of dupattas or dresses, you can write us in the comments, so we will start taking your orders as well. friends, your dupatta is all ready, as you see. Then in the end, remember that pressing the dupatta from the outside is very important. Just press it well to give it a clean, neat look. As you see, it's all ready. Friends, I hope you like my video, and I really want you to please share it with your friends, family, and we will soon make other videos for you as well to tell you that how to stitch different type of dresses. Thank you so much for watching my video.